guys, it's me Miriam and I'm back with another video, and today's video is going to be basically how I'm going to show you guys how to make an iced coffee caramel, so caramel iced coffee. And if you guys didn't already know, I'm obsessed with like iced cappuccinos from Tim Hortons. So if you guys are like obsessed or have an obsession of like some kind of an iced drink or like a coffee drink, then just keep watching. Okay, so basically you guys will be needing a lot of things. You guys will just be needing a caramel creamer, I got the caramel macchiato creamer, and then you guys will be needing some kind of a coffee, like to make. We have like a Keurig, so we just put it in there, or you guys can just have like a regular coffee maker, and then basically some caramel drizzle. Can be any kind. I just have this one, and just like a cup and a straw. So you guys are just gonna preheat your coffee maker or something, and then brew your coffee. You guys will be needing some kind of a cup, or like a glass cup or a plastic. I can't find any like glass ones would make it look like better and more like you'd be wanting to drink it more, so I'm just gonna get like some kind of a plastic one. And then I'm basically just gonna get like a regular plastic cup just to put it in for now so it can get cold and then just brew.
Use it after all the ice is melted. So you guys are gonna leave it like sit for a couple minutes, then put the ice cubes in so it can become like more, I don't know how to explain it, but make sure you guys do that.
Okay, so now that it's done brewing, I'm gonna turn it off, or you guys can keep it on, whatever. And then I'm gonna see the coffee's like this. So just let it sit for a couple minutes and then we'll come back. Alright guys, so now that it's been a couple minutes, I'm gonna break the ice cubes from here, and then I'm just gonna put it inside of the coffee. Okay, so now we're gonna wait for it to get cold, but because we don't want all the ice cubes to melt, so we're just gonna wait for it to like get cold, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to start. While that gets cold, I'm gonna show you guys how to like prepare your cup and everything. So for the cup, I'm gonna be using this one right here, and then I'm gonna use the caramel syrup, and then I'm gonna use the creamers that I already showed you guys at the beginning. And I'm gonna use 2 or 3, depending on how much I like it to be creamy. And then I'm gonna need the same ice and straw. So depending on how much you guys want coffee, you guys put less ice cubes, and if you guys want more coffee, then put or if that's opposite. I said if you guys want less coffee, put more ice cubes. If you guys want more coffee, put more ice cubes. Am I saying that right? So let's go check the coffee because it looks like we're basically gonna start by drizzling the caramel syrup onto the cup. So I'm gonna drizzle it like so. You can drizzle in the middle, and then I'm gonna have to hold it so I can drizzle around, and I'm gonna show you guys the results. So after you guys drizzled all around the cup, it's gonna look like that. And then you guys are gonna go ahead and start putting the ice cubes all in. Alright, so I fill mine with ice cubes because I like it when it has more ice cubes. So I'm just gonna go check out the other coffee. Our coffee feels cold now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pour that in here. And then you can just like reuse it for later, or if you guys want, you can just like put it in the freezer or something and then use it for like later that day or something.
Alright, let's put 1 or 2 more in, and then I'm gonna put 1 more in. And then mix like that. It's all good sounds. And this is like a straw. Mix it up a little bit. I'm trying to mix it so like the cream is actually mixed in. And then you're gonna take your caramel drizzle again, and then drizzle some on top. Like this. And then we're gonna take those off.
Alright guys, so there is the coffee. Haven't had a sip yet, and let's see right now. This is really good, guys. Definitely recommend for you guys trying it. If you guys don't really like coffee either, I'm not the type of person who likes hot coffee that much. I like more like ice drinks and stuff, so this is actually really good. Definitely recommend trying it. And if you guys try it, make sure you guys tell me down below in the comments, and please thumbs up and like and subscribe.
Alright, bye guys.